Japan's economic recovery has faced a number of bumpy roads in the past 6 years, but many say it has never been as bad as potential impact from the trade war between China and the US. Central Bank Governor Haruhiko Kuroda said Japanese economy could suffer significant consequences if escalation of tariffs continue. For the moment, impact is limited. Although steel and aluminium tariffs are imposed on Japan, it is very limited, and the Japanese yen remains comparatively weak against the dollar, and trade remains stable. However, the situation could easily turn for the worst.
Either if there will be major tariffs on Chinese exports, because Japan produces a lot in China for production that is being exported towards the US. The other big problem could arise if a currency war is evolving. Because of the tariffs, the Chinese renminbi might be weaker in the future, and that would have a big impact on Asia and on Japan.
The two that will have strong impact from this trade war are the auto sector and currency markets, which will in turn put great pressures on the slowly recovering Japanese economy. With Japan's two largest partners intensifying trade dispute, experts say there is a mounting risk of financial market instability, and a survey showed a drop in business confidence amongst large manufacturers, including automakers and electronic companies. Japan is aggressively seeking multilateral trade agreements to minimize these impacts.
Japan is refocusing its interests towards partners in Asia and in the EU. We see this in the negotiated trade agreements, which are with the EU, and RCEP in Asia. So policy in the US brings actually the new partners closer together, which might not be a bad side effect.
Japanese government spokesman said Japan will maintain vigilant eyes on the trade dispute, but did not elaborate on its stance. Terence Terashima, CGTN, Tokyo.